Hi everybody, it's a bit of a wet miserable day, so I thought I'd do some modelling downstairs. A bit hot in the loft still, but what I did was I brought these low profile buildings off eBay. Now I wanted a bit of a factory unit, so I thought I'd get a few and join them together and kind of make a low profile building instead of just sticking them straight on the wall. I have painted them, but I haven't put any of the extras on yet. Like obviously that's got the door and everything to go in it with a bit of a roof. So I brought some thin pine wood and I'm going to cut this to length, stick 3 on it, and I want kind of like where the loading bay is, I want kind of like a roadway in between the factories. But hopefully you'll see what I mean when I get a bit further down the line. This is the first, but this is what they come with, these extras here. So obviously before I fasten them down, I'm going to have to paint them. But what I've done here is I've actually got a little bit of timber, and now I've cut that to length. And because I've got these lips at the bottom that are going to go along here, I can actually tack this onto the timber and glue it as well. Right, I've cut a bit of wood to length. I've already put one on. With it being any thin ply, they do tend to warp a little. So I'm using a staple gun. Now there is a runner that goes down there, so obviously you won't be able to see that gap. Well, that's the plan. So that's the profile. What I'm going to do now is, because I want them quite deep, even though they are supposed to be low profile, I'm going to get another one and I'm going to cut along here and down here and actually put a sideboard on. Like so. So then I can build the roof up. So that's that side cut off. So that'll obviously be the depth of the factory unit. Right, I'm just trying to stick on the roof supports on the back here. I just have to see how they work out. I just want to put a bit of a tarred roof on it, so whether I get them straight or not, I don't know. But anyway, I'm having a go. Right, I've had to strike the back, but with them only being very thin ply, they are tending to warp a little. So you can see where I've straightened it up. And I pour the roof supports up. So the next thing really is to put the glass in. To make the glass, I've just got this laminator. So it's warm. If I can feed it in.
Just get to one side.
And there we go, some laminated glass. Right, so there we go. I've just cut the strips of laminate. So that gives the effect. Right, so that's the glazing done. Now it's just a matter of, if you look along the bottom, I actually tacked the walls to the main support. So now I've painted these up ready. So it's just a matter of fitting all this. Right, so that's the facade finished. So now it's just a matter of doing the walls, outside doing the roofs. Right, well there's the first bit of roof done. What I'm using here is it's ID backseams, grey roof tiles, and just stick it onto cardboard. Just look a bit fresh and new, so once it's down I'll be able to weather it up. It's just basically kind of like a half low profile building, so well there we go, that's the roof done. With it being cardboard, I've got these cardboard edges. You can probably see they're showing bright white. But I've got to weather the roof anyway, so when I do that, I'll see if I can sort something out. So that's about it. The last thing really is just to fit some lights and put it on the layout and have a look. Right, that's underneath. It looks a bit gory, but you can certainly see what cardboard I've used. As for the lights, I've got these old coach lights. So I've soldered these two wires on it. I'm not going to use these in the coaches. Nowadays, the strips you get are just so easy to use. So I just thought if I glue those in there, then we'll be ready to go. Right, that's the lights fitted. So we're going to take it upstairs and put on the layout. So there she is on the layout, roughly where she's going to go anyway. I have actually wired the lights up, but they're not very bright. But they are on. So I might have to look into doing something else there. But I'm quite happy with the end result. Obviously I've got to finish this wall off now. But it just fills up that corner a little anyway. So the next stage really is doing the station. Getting that all sorted. These buildings I just put down here, they're not really going to go there. I've tried to join everything up, but at least you get an idea of what I'm looking to do now. Well, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. If you've watched this long, you've done well. And if you haven't done already, please subscribe and comment. And I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.